Okay, one approach in discussing the operation of integers or signed numbers is through the use of algebraic tiles. So since this is COVID time, we have to be contented with our resources here in our house. So luckily I found these cards here. I don't know if this is a Japanese card or a Korean card, but it seems it looks so sturdy. I think this is made of vinyl or hard plastic, acrylic, or I don't know. Anyway, I will teach you how to make algebraic tiles. What you need is highlighter, masking tape, and also a scissor. So I will use this sample. Now cut a portion of your masking tape, I think around 1.5. Okay, now cut this into 3. 1, 2, 3. Now take the card. Let's make this positive. Okay, so one face is positive and the other one is negative. Okay, so negative and positive side. What you will do with the highlighter is to emphasize this. Okay, so you have your algebraic tile now. Okay, we will use these tiles here. Actually, I have made already several tiles here. We will use these tiles in our discussion later.